Hello friends. Today we learn about the terrariums. What is terrarium?
Terrariums are decorative gardens that are grown in sealable glass containers. Terrariums can also be grown in open glass containers. In many ways, a terrarium is like an aquarium, except instead of fish, plants are used in it. They are used as decorative items in house or office.
How closed terrariums works?
A terrarium has a closed environment and can actually be used to illustrate how an ecosystem works. Inside the closed terrarium, many different natural processes may be observed. First of all, photosynthesis, respiration, and the water cycle. The water in the terrarium is constantly recycled, passing from liquid form to gas and back again. As the moisture in the air condenses on the glass walls, it returns to the soil and is absorbed by the plant's roots.
There are mainly two types of terrariums. 1. Closed terrarium. 2. Open terrarium.
Next detailed video will be on closed terrarium and open terrarium. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.